The most cinematic designs often rely on depth and atmosphere rather than complicated effects. Today, how to explore atmospheric frame layering, open Canva, and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a dark charcoal background and apply a radial gradient behind the center area. Insert a wide rectangular frame and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the focal subject stands out immediately. Duplicate the frame 3 times and place each copy behind the original. Increase the size of every duplicate slightly while lowering transparency progressively to build realistic depth. Add a smaller supporting frame overlapping one corner and place a secondary image inside.